submitted had names of cities in Maharashtra like Nashik and Malegaon instead of Bengaluru. Now, this detailed report's executive summary on page 29 gives details of traffic volumes at different cordon points, but it mentions cities and towns in Maharashtra like Malegaon and Nashik. The report, which is being mocked as a copy-paste job, was prepared by a Delhi-based firm named Rodic Consultants Private Limited. The BBMP, or the city corporation, had reportedly spent 9.5 crore rupees on this particular report, and this has clearly become an embarrassment, in fact, for the Karnataka government. And we have the copy of that report as well, and we'll be going across to my colleague for more inputs on this particular story. But just take a look at, the error here that's being picked up by the BJP to target the Karnataka government. So this is a report about Bengaluru, but here on this page, it mentions Malegaon to Nashik, Malegaon to Nashik, Nashik city, Malegaon to Nashik. And the point is that instead of talking about Bengaluru, why is this report, mentioning cities like Nashik and Malegaon? Is there some kind of a connection? Now, that's something that we need to find out. We have, in fact, a reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. BJP has called it a massive embarrassment. BJP has slammed the government of Karnataka, and BJP is now demanding accountability on the spending that has happened for this report.
Yeah, this is the worst. They mentioned Malegaon. What is the relation between Bangalore and Maharashtra, Malegaon? This is the, I think this project is a bogus project. So roads are very bad in Karnataka, bad in Bangalore. How can the tunnel road will work? We can't maintain upper roads. We are going tunnel roads. This shows this government failure. Only they want money, percentage. That's why they are doing that project.
Now, viewers, when Home Minister G. Parmeshwara, Home Minister of Karnataka, was asked about the report, he said this does not come under his department, but that of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. And then we reached out to Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivkumar. He was questioned on this particular issue. He said he will discuss about it later. Listen in and see how he reacted.
So only on the tunnel road, sir, some questions are arising about the DPR that was prepared, some errors that have emerged.
I will discuss later.
So only on the tunnel road, sir, some questions are arising about the DPR that was prepared, some errors that have emerged.
I will discuss later.
For more on this, let me straight away go across to my colleague Deepak Bopanna, who is live with us at this point in time. Deepak, firstly, I want to understand from you about this entire controversy. We'll talk about the politics in just a bit, but I want to ask you, has there been any reaction from the company that carried out, the survey and eventually came out with this report on what is this reference to Nashik and Malegaon when it was supposed to focus on Bengaluru?
Well, the BBMP, of course, has been looking at various options to ease traffic congestion, in Bengaluru. One of the proposals, of course, in the recent past have been tunnel roads that will be, of course, built in different parts of the city. Now, very recently, of course, a large portion of it, of course, they wanted to set this aside for some time because of the huge amount of financial burden it would come with. But they actually wanted to go ahead with one particular stretch, that is from Hebbal, very close to from the location that I'm standing at, towards Silkport Junction. Now, and for this, Delhi-based company called Rodic Consultancy Private Limited, now they were given the tender to actually prepare a detailed project report at a cost of about 9.5 crores. They would give you an analysis. They would tell you where the traffic points here are, how much benefit that this particular tunnel road will bring in, the environmental impact, and so on. Now, in this report, page number 29, details of various traffic points and where the congestion really happens, and here mentions cities like Nashik and Malegaon as well, while mentioning various parts of Bengaluru. It clearly, indicates that something has gone wrong here. Either it is copy-pasted because they will prepare a similar report for Maharashtra, or, it's a blatant error that hasn't even been rectified. Now, the question is, while such a huge amount of money has been spent, how can this error really happen? And what is, the BBMP's response to it? We are still awaiting that. The BJP is saying that this is a bogus report. They are not able to maintain roads in the city of Bengaluru. They're talking about tunneling of roads, and that too, with the detailed project report, of course, has so many errors on the face of it. And these are questions that are being raised by the opposition. At this point in time, we have not heard any response that has come in. Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, of course, who's in charge of Bengaluru, says he'll respond to the matter later. So we'll really have to see, with this sort of a pressure being mounted by the BJP, the primary opposition here in Bengaluru, how the Congress party, responds to it.
Right. Deepak, request you to stay on with us. We have S. Prashant of the BJP joining us on the broadcast this afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you make of this report? We got a reaction as well from Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, who said, in a way that he is going to look into it. We will discuss about it later. Your first reaction.
See, this entire DPR thing, I think, reeks of corruption from the beginning to the end. Because if you look at why he proposed a tunnel road, and then the DPR done in 3 months, and then the details emerging as to how they have copy-pasted from a Maharashtra project, it only reeks of corruption, and I think DCM is wanting to get more richer by indulging in corrupt means, which is following his chief minister and other ministers in indulging in corruption. This is nothing but looting the public of Karnataka, where governance has taken a backseat, development is zero, not a kilometer of roads have been laid, no pothole has been filled up, and price rise is probably the talk of the hour every day in Karnataka. At all these times, D.K. Shivkumar wants a tunnel road, probably to fund his personal coffers. The state coffers are dry, but D.K. Shivkumar probably wants to fill his personal coffers. What more can anybody say on this? This is corruption from the beginning till the very end. Nothing more.
Well, that's a scathing attack there coming in from the BJP, Mr. Prashant. Now, the question is, what next? What is it that the BJP is now demanding in this particular case?
Let there be transparency. How can an agency prepare a DPR report in 3 months for such a big project, where it requires environment clearances, groundwater experts have to see it, they have to see the ecological balance, environment has to be taken care of. Without all these things, if a DPR is done in 3 months, what about the cost? The initial cost was 8,000 crores, which they proposed, and in a matter of 2 weeks, it went up to 12,500 crores, is it? How did the cost go up? Just because from the time you initiate the survey to complete the survey in the DPR, the cost goes up by 50%, is it? So where is the transparency? Where is the public transparency coming in? Who's the agent who's doing it? Whether the agency has been checked, cross-verified? All of these details have to be out in the public domain. Let the people decide.
All right.
Whether they really want a tunnel.
All right. Mr. G.S. Prashant, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your first reaction. So that was the first reaction, viewers, we got from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, clearly, the BJP is targeting the Karnataka government and specifically the Deputy Chief Minister, and their allegation is that this is yet another attempt to loot the public of Karnataka and to perhaps fill his personal coffers. That was the direct attack for Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. Thank you, Deepak, for your inputs on this story.